Okay, so I'm going to be doing a series of videos on UniMonitor and how you can use UniMonitor app, which is a brilliant app. And I've spoken about UniMonitor before on Twitter. If you've seen my tweets about UniMonitor, you'll see it's seriously undervalued just now. So I want to go over the app itself. And today I want to show you a video about how you can check out for scams. So there's a lot of scams on Uniswap. So what UniMonitor does, it lists the coins just coming on to Uniswap. In the future, it might look at other coins on other dexes as well, but for now, it's Uniswap. Uniswap offers a brilliant opportunity to get in early on some of the projects, and UniMonitor gives you that opportunity. But there are a hell of a lot of scams out there, and I'm going to show you, using UniMonitor very quickly, how you can check for scams. Okay, so here we are on the dashboard for UniMonitor just now. And you can see 20 minutes ago, YFTT was just listed, and a couple of others. So we're just going to look at some of these on the left-hand side and see if indeed they're going to be any good or not, and whether you can quickly check to see if it's a scam. So the first thing we see, we'll go along the line and we'll see YFTT, and we'll look at the initial price, 70 cents. Initial pool token, you can see that there as well, but we'll go into it deeper. Price change minus 72% after 20 minutes, so it doesn't look good straight away. Here, contract is auto-generated as well, and the total supply can be changed. So this could be a copy of a contract, which is another red flag. And here it'll give you a link to Etherscan as well. So we'll check that link just now. And this goes to the contract. Just now, that can actually be changed. So it tells you here within Etherscan as well, similar match. So it looks like a copied contract. And we'll click on that. Yearn concubine, 17 transfers just now, holders 5 at the minute. 20,000. It looks to me like a scam already, but we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. So on Uniswap, they've got 7,333 tokens, 27% owned by the team, I would imagine, another 5,000, another 2,000. I would imagine this is all the team. So there's no transactions on it just now, or hardly any transactions. And we'll use these tools to check as well. So the first tool I'm going to use is the UniMonitor tool, and this is a pair explore. So we see the daily volume is 4,895. You can see the pooled ETH is only 6.85, another red flag. Basically what that means is the team would put Ethereum into it, so put a kind of proportion of their token, which is YFTT token, plus a proportion of Ethereum as well. If they're only willing to put 6.85 in, it means they're not too bothered about the liquidity, and it's only $1,800 or something worth the putting in of Ethereum, which is not good. So to me, this is going to be a rug pull, and this will probably be closed down. They'll do a runner probably within a couple of days, but we can keep an eye on it. We'll use it as a favourite just now. We can check it as a favourite. It's 35 cents just now, but it was 87 cents. These buys will probably be team buys as well. So just keep an eye on it, but it looks like a rug pull to me. Check some of the others. ZXC, that's one we know about already. That's the Zero Set protocol. So we know about that. We'll check some of the others. So we'll just click on these very quickly and see how you can see very quickly if it's going to be legitimate or not. TestX, zero pooled ETH or 0.1. And TestX, I don't know, I think somebody's just literally just testing that. It's at $1,942 just now. So I don't see if that can be legit just now, but you never know. It's TestX, and we'll check. Yeah, contract not verified. And we'll look at it. That's the contract there, TestX, 100,000, 2 addresses for the holders. It doesn't look legit just now, but it could be somebody's literally just testing it or something. Chiliz as well. this looks like a bit dodgy. Daily volume 372. This, I don't think this is the correct chilies. So we'll check that on Etherscan. Contract not verified. I think this is a scam. They just copy in chilies. 8.8 billion. I think chilies has got 8.88 billion, so it looks as if they're trying to kind of copy it and trying to lure people in, thinking it is chilies going on to Uniswap. I do not believe that this is the correct one. So we'll be able to check up here. If it's a tick, we've got a tick there, chilies. Yep, different token address altogether. Yep, so 8.888 billion. And we've got 13,000. So that is a scam as well. The chilies one here. You see that's a scam. So delete that. Koya, nothing happened with that at all. So we wouldn't be touching that obviously. CHS test, this could be another test one. Daily volume 709, pooled ETH 0.1. So this is just, I think, is projects testing. Remitano, daily volume 708, pooled ETH, nothing there as well. So not necessarily a scam, but it's not one you want to get into, not one you want to jump in on. So this is how you check to see if it's a scam or not. Very, very quick ways that UniMonitor give you to check to see if it's a scam. The very first one is check the contract. Is contract verified? That's a good sign, but not necessarily it's going to be always the same, because the contract verified for Koya has been contracted, is done there, same with Remitano. So it could be they're just going on or just testing just now. So contract verified, we need a green tick there for sure. And obviously what we want to do is check the pooled ETH. The higher the pooled ETH, the better. The higher the pooled token, the better. And the more liquidity, the better as well. Daily volume, the higher that is, the better. And total transactions, the better as well. So these are all kind of red flags. If you see them all very low, the pooled ETH, if you see that very low, red flag. If you see the pooled token very low, red flag. So I'm going to show you some of the ones I was looking at yesterday. Pulse. Just come on, this is PolkaStarter. A lot of people were talking about this, and you can see total. It just came on yesterday, but total liquidity is over $1 million. Daily volume is over $2 million. Pooled ETH is 1,500 pooled ETH. That's really good. So you know it's not going to be a rug pull, and you know that because the team are not going to put in 1,500 Ethereum into a project just to do a rug pull on it. And the pooled pause as well, which is a token, is over 1 million as well. And you can see if you got into this yesterday, you could have got into this round about 36 cents. If we go by the 5 minutes, this is when it came on. But that's this morning actually. I checked it yesterday and I think it was about 30 cents. Yeah, so they're not showing you all of that. So 51 cents just now. It was 30 cents yesterday. We could have gotten 30 cents yesterday. Almost doubled up on that. If you like PolkaStarter token. YFin we were looking at yesterday as well, but it looked like a rug pull, and it was indeed a rug pull. So there's no liquidity. They've just done a runner here altogether. And who.com, it's got 154 Ethereum in it, and there's not a lot of trading going on there. And this is for the website who.com, which is an exchange, so I don't think this is the correct token for this as well. It says there's only 280,000 tokens altogether on the contract. So I don't think this is the correct one either. But still trading just now, people trading it. But you could have gotten a 16 cents and just got out very, very quickly. But it doesn't look like the correct token. I believe who.com has their own tokens, who token, and it's got a few million at least, I think. Might have a billion actually. Said we looked at yesterday, or I looked at yesterday, pooled ETH 5.1, daily volume 2,500, total liquidity 3,500, which is not good at all, so I wouldn't be recommending that to anybody. YFDAI, it looked like a rug pull, because there's another YF Binance as well, and YFTT. No pooled ETH, no pooled YFTT, daily volume, so that was a rug pull as well. So you've got to be extremely careful, but UniMonitor can help you look at that before you go into a project. So UniMonitor has been really good. I've got a couple of coins, a couple of projects on UniMonitor, and I've managed to get in within the first hour of trading. One of them was YFDAI, and I got into that $23. I didn't realise or know as much as I do know now with the UniMonitor tool, and I managed to sell that for $32, but YFDAI subsequently went up to $1,200. But shows you there are good projects obviously out there, and you can make a lot of money, and you can make a lot of money with UniMonitor. Had I held on and sold it for $1,200, I could have made $16,000 from a $400 investment. So I bought it for I bought 1 ETH worth for YFDAI, and I sold it for $600, and I bought it for $400. But if I would have held on, I could have sold it for a lot more than that. So UniMonitor, this is the first video I've done just to show you how not to get scammed with Uniswap tokens using the UniMonitor app. I'll be doing more videos because I'm going to be updating this all the time, and I think I love it. As I said, I use it every day, and I think it's a brilliant investment to get the UNT tokens as well, and I'll put a link down below for you as well. Okay, until next time, namaste, take care, bye now.